Hi Cancer, Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus. Welcome back to your Twin Flame and Soulmate Connection Energy reading for the month of March 2021, the bonus reading with me, Ivy, Spiritual Messages and Tarot. If you are new to the channel, welcome, and if this message resonates with you, Cancer, I will really appreciate your support by clicking subscribe and hit the notification bell. Without further ado, let's get into your reading. Hi Cancer, so let's look at into your channel messages from your person on your bonus reading for the month of March 2021. Also, let's see the energy coming up from you and your person here, Cancer. Also, Cancer, please know that this is a collective general energy reading. Therefore, it may or may not resonate with every single one of you out there. If this message does not resonate with you, Cancer, please kindly consider checking your moon, your rising and your Venus sign. And if this message resonates with you, I will really appreciate your support by clicking subscribe and hit the notification bell. And by doing so, you will be eligible for free monthly giveaway readings, which I'll be doing towards the end of the month, every month here. Okay, so let's look at into the reading. On this side here is your energy, Cancer, and then on this side here is your person energy. But again, this due to this is a collective general energy reading, the roles or the energy can be interchangeable or vice versa. Now, the sign that I've got for you here, Cancer, I'm getting a very strong earth energy coming up here, Taurus, Virgo and Capricorn. I'm also getting a very strong fire energy coming up here as well, Aries, Leo and Sagittarius, as well as water energy, Cancer, Scorpio and Pisces. So you could have any of these signs strongly in your chart, or your person could have any of these signs strongly in their chart. It's quite interesting here with your energy here, Cancer. I've got the Two of Cups, Queen of Cups, and then the Queen of Wands energy, and then I've got the Empress energy coming up here. I'm getting a very strong pregnancy energy coming up here, Cancer, which I feel like this could be coming up from your energy or coming up from your person energy, in a sense that there could be with a third party situation, and then that third party situation could be pregnant as well, because I'm getting like a very strong pregnancy energy coming up here. And then another thing that I've got here, Cancer, I've got the Two of Cups energy coming up here. So this is basically talking about the soul connection between both of you here. Both of you definitely have a very strong soulmate connection coming up here. I do get like more than one energy coming up here with this Queen of Cups and the Queen of Wands energy. And with this Empress energy here, apart from the pregnancy, again, please note that this is a collective energy, so it's not necessarily mean that your person is currently making someone else pregnant, even though it could be like that. But because of this is general reading, this is not going to be the same for every single one of you here. What I'm getting here is that with this Empress energy, I'm also getting like a very strong mother issue coming up here. Mother issue, or like the issue with someone that they consider as a mother figure, I would say here. So their mother, grandmother, someone with that motherly energy is what I'm getting here. Now with this Queen of Cups energy and the Queen of Wands energy coming up here, I'm getting a very strong third party energy, either coming up from your side or coming up from your person's side. But these two energy is quite conflicting with one another, because the Queen of Cups energy here is that someone who is emotionally mature, emotionally stable, while the Queen of Wands energy coming up here is that I'm getting like a little bit like a stubbornness, hot temper, can get angry quickly here, quite abusive as well when it comes into the communication, especially when they're getting angry. So I feel like this is what currently like your person or you are currently dealing with here. Like I do feel like they're starting to miss you is also what I'm getting coming up here, Cancer. Because looking at your person energy here, I've got the Eight of Wands, the King of Pentacles and the Death energy coming up here with the Three of Swords. So there is a very strong heartbroken energy coming up here. Feeling heartbroken and feeling sad is what I'm getting here. So I feel like what I'm getting coming up here, Cancer, is that your person might have left you with someone else, or sorry, for someone else, or your person might have some issues with their mother here. Now this is making them to be emotionally unstable, or making them to have this particular commitment issue, I would say here. And for another group of you here is that with this Empress energy, they could also have some sort of like issue with with the ex-wife or with the baby mother, I would say here, with the kids mother, something like that is what I'm getting coming up. But what I'm getting coming up quite strongly here is that feeling heartbroken, a very strong regretful energy and a feeling heartbroken energy coming up here. And coming up with this death energy here, Cancer, this is basically talking about a very strong transformation energy coming up from your person here, and the Eight of Wands energy coming up here. So they definitely have gone through a transformation within themselves here, which is why I'm getting like a very strong King of Pentacles energy here. Cancer, the King of Pentacles is like the little emperor. So whatever had happened between you and your person here, with you coming up as the Empress energy and with your person coming up as the King of Pentacles energy here, they are basically like they're basically working on themselves here to finally reach out the Emperor level, to finally reach out that masculine energy here. Again, the gender does not matter, to finally reaching out that masculine energy, so both of you can be coming up from the same energy level here. And for that, they need to, or at least at this point of time here, they're going through a major transformation, a major breakthrough energy within themselves here. And I've also got the Eight of Wands energy coming up here. The communication might still be on and off here, or kind of like completely no communication. So with this Eight of Wands energy here, they're actually preparing to communicate with you, or they're actually preparing to message you, I would say here, Cancer. They're preparing to message you, they're preparing to open up the line of communication with you here. And the reason why they want to message you at this point of time here is that because they want to show you that how much transformation that they have gone through within themselves here. And this particular separation or this particular heartbreak here has actually taught them a lot. Like they have, like this particular separation here taught them about all of this emotional pain and emotional trauma that they've been suppressing within themselves here. Family issue, family upbringing, childhood trauma, especially the issue like regarding the mother issue that they've been putting within themselves here. They finally have had the time to look into all of those and finally healing themselves here. And the channel message that I've got for you here is that faithful, and then I've got communication blockage coming up here. So like I said, at this point of time here, the communication between both of you are still being blocked, but they are preparing to message you is what I'm getting coming up here, Cancer. They're preparing to message you and they're preparing to open up the line of communication between both of you here. And another thing here is that I've got the Star energy coming up here. Again, a very strong healing, cleansing and transformation energy is strongly coming up from your person. And then I've also got the Yes energy coming up here. So they finally have realized the value that you have in their life. I've also got the abuse and abusive situation. Again, this could actually explain the strong third party energy that I'm getting here. I do feel like they might have left you for someone else, and finally realizing that that this particular situation, like this third party situation or karmic situation here, is that full of abuse, and like they might also have come from an abusive relationship or like an abusive family upbringing is what I'm getting here, Cancer. So that's it for your message. Oh, one more thing with this faithful energy here, even though that they have left you for someone else, with this Yes energy and the faithful energy here, this is basically talking about they are going to be staying faithful towards you, and they're definitely going to honor you is what I'm getting here. So that's it for your reading here, Cancer, for the bonus reading for the month of March 2021. I hope it resonates with you. If it does, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. I'll see you in the next reading. Have a good day, stay safe and be blessed. Bye bye.